I've not had a good week in Blender, but while I was looking through GitHub for some scripts to try in animation nodes, or in Blender animation, I came across this. This is JavaScript, not Python, but it's still interesting. There's a link below in the description of this video. Quite a few little patterns you can do, and you can even make your own. This started off as a SVG or scalable vector graphics drawing, and as you'll see, gradually turns into well, basically nonsense. But if you wanted to generate a sort of lichen pattern or something like that, and it was coloured in, it'd probably be fine. But anyway, this is just, I get sidetracked. I'm looking for one thing and find another, and I get all muddled up. Story of my life. I decided to give animation nodes a rest and have a look at getting a decent glass shader in Blender, well, the EV renderer engine in Blender. I'm loath to go back to Cycles for video because EV is good enough, but I'm still having awful trouble with it, and until we get a decent manual, I no doubt will continue to do so. As you can see here, the glass is actually pretty good. I mean, it's just a glass flask quickly modelled out of a sphere, and then some particles put in, and all seems fine, but they're popping out. And I thought there was a setting somewhere that allowed me to up the sort of render iterations. Well, no, that's the wrong word. Up something, like the sampling or something, to stop it doing this. But I'll be blowed if I can find it. It's nearly there. But anyway, I'll show you what I've done. I've triangulated this mesh, to give it much more geometry. The normals are all pointing in, as they should be. I mean, there are thousands of normals there because it's, I've just made the mesh ridiculous to try and stop stuff bursting out of it. I'll switch those off. As you can see, that mesh is just ridiculous, really. But we'll get there. As I say, somewhere there are better settings, and somewhere there'll be a script that works that I can sort of copy for animation. But it's not been a good week, really. And that's all for today.